In this video, I will show you how to convert image to editable text. So firstly, visit this site OnlineOCR.net. Now 3 step. First one, select your image, select your language, select now select where you want to text. Now select here Microsoft Word, text plain, Microsoft Excel. I will select Microsoft Word. Then click on convert. Now wait for a few seconds. So as we can see, we have now this data and we successfully converted image into text. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and the simple steps we can know how to convert image to editable text.